स्टूडेंट थर्ड यूनिट में लास्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट होता है आपका, यानी बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट। इससे पहले हमने बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज के बारे में डिस्कस किया था, यानी बैंक समाधान विवरण, बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट। मेनली स्टूडेंट, a businessman generally opens a current account with a bank. Bank column of a cash book is used for making entries regarding deposits and withdrawals in bank account. On the other hand, the bank also maintain the customer account into the book. The bank periodically provides a copy of a statement of all bank transactions to the customer. This copy of statement containing all bank transactions is called bank passbook or bank statement. When money or check is deposited by the customer into the bank account, the customer debits the bank account while the bank credit the customer account. Similarly, when money is withdrawn from the bank, the customer credits the bank account while bank debits the customer account. Thus, the entries in bank column of cash book for bank accounts and the related passbook are made for the sum transactions, so in principle both of them should show the same balance, with the only difference that when the cash book show a debit balance, the passbook will show a credit balance. Mainly reason is that on a certain date it is possible that there may be some entries which have been recorded in the cash book but not in the passbook. Statement is therefore prepared to identify the reason for the difference and to reconcile the balance of two books. Such a statement is called bank reconciliation statement. ये definition है according to William. Generally, a statement is prepared to show the effect of unpresented and uncredited check. Such a statement is known as bank reconciliation statement. इसमें नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है, देखिए, causes of difference between cash book and passbook. देखिए, the following are the causes of difference between balance as shown by the bank passbook and balance as shown by the cash book. First, check issued but not yet presented for payment. यानी चेक इशू कर दिए गए लेकिन भुगतान के लिए प्रस्तुत नहीं किए गए. When check is issued to the creditor in the payment of his dues, it is immediately recorded in the cash book on the credit side of the bank column. The check is not presented for payment in the bank. Bank will not debit the firm account. Generally, there is a time gap between the issue of a check and its presentation to the bank. Thus, until the checks are presented for payment, the bank balance as per cash book will show less balance in the comparison of passbook. Number 2, checks paid into bank for collection but not credited by the bank. A trader receives from time to time check, draft, etc. from its customer and he sends them to his bankers for collection. The bank trader debits bank column of cash book. As soon as he deposits check, draft, etc. with the bank for collection, but the bank credits the trader's account only after the check have been collected. Number 3, student, checks paid into bank for collection but dishonored by the bank. Sometimes a check deposited into bank is dishonored. The bank will not make any entry in the credit of customer's account. In fact, it has the same effect as check deposited but not yet credited. Number 4, interest allowed by the bank. When bank allow interest to a customer for deposits, it will credit customer account and his bank balance in passbook or statement will increase. Account and his bank balance in passbook or statement will increase, but the customer is not making the entry in his cash book. Thus, the bank shown in the cash book is less than the balance shown in the passbook. Number 5, interest and dividend collected by the bank. The banker may receive amount due to the customer by way of dividends, interest, etc. directly from the person on account of sending instruction of the customer to such person. The bank credits account of the customer for such collection as soon as it gets such payment, but the same will be entered in the cash book only when customer receives the passbook or statement from the bank. The balance shown in the cash book is less than the balance shown by the passbook. Next, number 6, bank charges and commission charged by the bank. The bank charges by way of incidental charges, commission, collection charges, etc. from its customers for the service it renders to the customers. From time to time, the bank debits the customer's account as soon as it renders such a service. The bank debits the customer account as soon as it renders such a service, and this reduces the bank balance as per passbook. Such charges only when he receives passbook or statement of account from the bank. Until then, bank balance as per passbook will be less than bank balance as per cash book. So next, interest on bank overdraft. When a trader is allowed by the bank to withdraw more than his deposits in the account, the excess withdrawals is known as overdraft. The bank charges interest on overdraft and debits the customer with these charges, but the customer will record this in the case either on receiving intimation from the bank in this regard or when he receives the bank passbook or bank statement duly completed. Thus, the balance of both books differ. Next, direct payment by the bank on behalf of customer. Usually, an account holder instruct the bank to make certain payment on his behalf, such as payment of insurance premium, interest on loan, electricity bill, etc. The bank will debit the party account on making the payment, and this reduces the bank balance. But the party has no information on the same till it is informed. Thus, the balance shown in the cash book is more than the balance shown by the passbook. Number 9. Direct deposit into bank by the debtors. Sometimes debtors may directly deposit the amount due in the firm bank account. The bank credits the firm account immediately on receipt of such payment, but the firm will make entry in the cash book only after receiving intimation in this regard. The passbook show more balance than the cash book. So, and last, any wrong entry made by the bank in the passbook. Sometimes the bank may commit a mistake in making entries in the account of customer. A wrong debit or credit given by the bank leads to the difference in the balance shown by cash book and passbook. The difference on this ground can be eliminated when the error is deducted. स्टूडेंट कल इसकी टेक्निक के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे और इसका फॉर्मेट ऑफ बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन स्टेटमेंट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.